Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard cream for cake. Start by warming milk and vanilla in a saucepan over medium heat while whisking egg yolks with sugar and cornstarch until smooth. Temper the yolks by slowly adding warm milk, then return the mixture to the pan and cook gently until thick. Stir continuously to avoid lumps, then cool and whisk until silky before spreading on your cake. Bring the milk to just under simmering, not boiling, for best flavor and safety. Whisk the yolks and sugar thoroughly before tempering with a few tablespoons of warm milk. Return the combined mixture to low heat and stir constantly until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat, add vanilla, and strain into a bowl to cool quickly and stay lump-free for perfect spreading. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more baking tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up flour and crumbs, and it even listens to voice commands so you can focus on baking. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once your custard is cooked, press plastic wrap onto its surface right away to stop a skin forming and to lock in moisture. Let it cool to room temperature on the counter, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours so it firms up for spreading. If not using immediately, keep it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days for safe and tasty use on cakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.